Vande Mataram children. In chapter 6, physical and chemical changes, continuing with topic chemical change, today we are going to start with next activity, that is change in color when copper sulfate reacts with iron and vinegar and baking soda. So let's have a look. Yes children, so let's start with activity 6.7. Yes children, here you can see there is a solution of copper sulfate. In that I have added few drops of dilute sulfuric acid, and then we can place iron nail or used shaving blade. After some time you will notice the change in color from blue to green. That is due to reaction between copper sulfate and iron. So the new substance formed, that is iron sulfate, and Cu, that is copper, deposits on the iron nail. So let's have a look to the activity. I have taken copper sulfate plus dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, and we have to see after some time it will change the color. Now we have taken a sample to check the color with it. I'll show you. We have to see, and you can see I have also put a blade in it. Okay, this we will keep it as it is for some time, and then we can check the color. So there will be reaction between copper sulfate and iron, and new substance will be formed, that is iron sulfate, and copper will be deposited as a brown color. So children, this we have to wait for one day, and then tomorrow I'll show you again. Fine? Okay, coming to next activity, that is activity 6.8. Here you can see in a test tube we have taken baking soda and vinegar. Then when it reacts, it produces hissing sound and some bubbles. That bubbles are of CO2 gas, that is carbon dioxide gas. When it is passed through glass delivery tube to the lime water, the lime water will turn milky. It shows the presence of CO2. So let's have a look to this activity. Children, here in this dish I have taken vinegar, that is acetic acid. Okay, now here I will add a pinch of baking soda. Now you see, observe it very well. Can you see? Can you see the hissing sound is also produced, and the bubbles can be seen very well. So it proves that CO2 is released. What is this bubble about? Bubble किसके वजह से होता है? It is due to CO2 released. Okay, so it proves that it is a chemical change. It is a characteristics of chemical change. It produces CO2, that is bubbles, and even we can hear the hissing sound. When we pass this CO2 through lime water, it will turn into milky color. Okay, so that you can try it at home. Even this activity you can try it with lemon juice, जिसमें citric acid होता है. Okay.